Things have certainly been crazy on my end, but one thing's for sure, watching porridge bubble away on the stove and then pouring it into a nice mug and sitting back and getting cozy and just sipping on this uji or porridge. For me, that's my ultimate self-care routine, and I just feel so good every time I do it. To kick things off, I'm going to add a little water into a bowl. I like doing it this method because it assures no lumps. And I'm using Wimbi. It's also known as ragi flour. If you can't find it under Wimbi, you can find it under ragi flour. It's basically millet. I also add maize meal, which is ugali flour. So about 3 tablespoons of the millet and 2 tablespoons of the ugali flour. You want to just mix it until there's no lumps at all and it's nice and smooth. I love to add half water and half milk into my pot. I think it just adds such a nice creaminess to your porridge. And you want to bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, bring your Wimbi mix that you had mixed earlier and just pour it in there, all of it. And then grab a whisk and give it a good stir. So once everything starts boiling together at this point, it's almost impossible to get lumps. I like to add about 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 sometimes, if I'm feeling extra sweet. I need extra sweetness in my life. And from here on, you just need to let it gently bubble away I like to cook it for about 15 minutes so nobody gets any tummy aches. Please don't walk away. This can go wrong very fast. And one good thing to avoid any overflows is to put a spoon on top. And after about 15 minutes, your porridge is ready to just pour into your cups or in a thermos, whatever you choose. And then just sit back, don't think about the troubles of the world, practice your self-care, and enjoy the moment. Really savor the moment. It's the small things that count.